By the way, what's that? Well, you know, we heard that Kumu, Robert Uluvehi Casimiro said that this group coming up on stage was one of his most favorite groups, and they are also personally one of my most favorite groups as well. And with that said, ladies and gentlemen, while you are sitting here listening tonight, if you like what you listen to, if you are enjoying and just bathing in the beauty of their voices, then you head straight back to that table. Our two lovely ladies in the blue shirt that says Keauhou, you can speak to them about the music that you are listening to tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, Pa'i Pa'i Lima Kako no Keauhou!
Nani kapulau ahe poanu kai niki vela vela o kamakasila ila ila kaua e wale ai me kawai o kaulala e ho me kawai o kaulala e ho Nani kapulau ahe poanu kai niki vela vela o kamakasila ila ila kaua e wale ai Ila ila kaua e wale ai me kawai o kaulala e ho me kawai o kaulala e ho Ila ila kua i ka kone ua paakau pakai kalakai e hi ka ula ole i ka heu me kawai o kaulala me kawai o kaulala Nani ko'olau ahe poanu kai niki vela vela o kamakasila ila ila kaua e wale ai me kawai o kaulala e ho me kawai o kaulala e ho Nani ko'olau ahe poanu kai niki vela vela o kamakasila ila ila kaua e wale ai me kawai o kaulala e ho me kawai o kaulala e ho me kawai o kaulala e ho Hello, my kako! Wow, look at all of us here. We're Keauhou. Thanks for joining us. Wow. No, actually, you guys just came for Robert Casimiro, yeah, and then Keauhou's on the side. Whatever. No, I'm just kidding. You guys are so kind. We're so happy. Thank you to Kumuhina folks and, of course, the Howard Hughes Corporation for putting this up. Isn't this a beautiful setting in the most unexpected place, right? You know, we have beautiful nature in Hawaii, but we actually have some beautiful architecture too. And then right next door we have the beach. Where else in the world can you find that? Yeah. So fortunate for all of us. Well, like you said, or like they said, we're Keauhou. My name is Zach. That's my brother Nick on the bass. Hello. And then Mr. Jonah Solatorio in the middle here on the ukulele. And we're super stoked to be here, not only because we're super stoked, but we just released our first album, maybe on September? October? Yeah. So we're like, really? You guys like us? That's nice. Thank you. And I know Kumu was saying that he thinks that we're his favorite. Of course, second to Bread. But I'm not sure who Bread is. Oh, okay. This is more of a joke than I thought it was gonna be. We're gonna sing a few songs with you folks, and hopefully we get the gents up as well. It's always fun to share the stage with them.